I am committed to staying hydrated and drinking enough water every day. Proper hydration supports my overall health and well-being. I make hydration a priority by carrying a water bottle and sipping regularly. My body thanks me for providing it with the water it needs to function optimally. Drinking water energizes me and boosts my physical and mental performance. I take control of my nutrition by meal prepping healthy meals in advance. Meal prepping saves me time and helps me make better food choices. I'm organized and plan my meals ahead, setting myself up for success. Prepping nutritious meals is an act of self-care and self-love. I'm committed to fueling my body with wholesome, nourishing foods. I start my day with a nutritious breakfast that energizes me. A healthy breakfast kickstarts my metabolism and keeps me focused. I make time for a wholesome breakfast even on busy mornings. Quick and easy healthy breakfast options are readily available to me. Nourishing my body with a balanced breakfast is a priority in my daily routine. These affirmations can serve as positive reminders and motivators to prioritize hydration, embrace meal prepping, and make healthy breakfast choices. Repeating these affirmations can help reinforce positive habits and mindsets around leading a healthier lifestyle.